I did something really bad. Now that I'm seeing it, I don't think I'm okay. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Maya Milani here, and I'm back with another video. So I did something really bad, but I'm not sure if it was like a good thing or a bad thing, but I did it. I did something really bad. Why am I hiding it like I didn't read the title? You guys, I cut my hair. Let me take it off and show y'all. I'm letting it deep condition right now. Y'all, now that I'm seeing it, I don't think I'm okay. I don't think that I'm okay. Why? Yo, what? When I cut it shoulder length. Or I thought I cut it shoulder length, I guess. Why? Okay. I'm gonna continue to let this marinate. Let me tell you why I cut it first. I cut my hair because I went to the hair salon to get a little cute little ponytail. Yo, I get bored. Like every week I want to do something new with my hair and I have to stop because I feel like that's why my hair got damaged in the first place. Every week I'm doing my hair back to back to back to back every week. But anyway, so I went to the hair salon last week and I wanted a ponytail. But this is not me bashing a lady. Like, I'm not bashing her. I'm not trying to say anything bad about her. She was just literally doing her job, and I felt like it's my fault because I should have said stop. It's my fault. So she was doing my hair, and I wanted a ponytail, and what I didn't know is that you have to flat iron your hair to get a ponytail. I may sound so stupid, but I really did not know. And okay, fine. I give her the benefit of the doubt. Flat iron my hair, cool, one pass, because that's what I be hearing. Like, just do one pass, whatever. You don't need to do so many passes. Lady is like, yo, oh my god, that was the worst experience of my life. I give that a 1 star out of 10. She's going so close to the root of my head. I'm literally feeling this thing burn, and then I'm hearing it come down and it's going shh. Yo, oh my god, I'm just like, oh my god. Then she gets to pulling out the hot comb. Why are you pulling out the hot comb when you just flat iron my hair? Why are you doing this, miss? This is what I should have been saying to miss. I'm just sitting in the chair, just suffering, just cause I want to be cute. I want to be cute so badly, and I was fiending. Literally fiending. So she pulls out the hot comb, burning my scalp. You burnt my scalp with the flat iron, then you goes to get in with the hot comb and you burning my scalp with the hot comb. Why are you doing this? And at this point, like with the flat iron, it was burning, but like I wasn't like, I was making faces like this. But I wasn't moving. Like, I was like ouch, feel me? When she gets to pulling out the hot comb, I'm like, ow. I'm like showing her like, miss, I physically feel pain. Does she stop? No, the lady does not stop. Finally, she's done torturing me, physically torturing me. After all that, I knew that my hair was like, yeah, my hair's done. I know she done burnt everything off. My hair's done. I feel like my hair is so damaged, so that's why I cut. I feel like I had no choice but to cut it off. But as y'all can see, it still curls up, but I did cut off a lot. When I cut it at about shoulder length, like about here. Like, it was physically touching my shoulder. And now I'm seeing it and it's not touching my shoulder. If that's rubbing me the wrong way, I feel like I cut too much. I'm gonna go wash it off and then come back. But this is crazy. I'm gonna make sure it's even, and then I'm gonna blow dry it, and then I'm never gonna bother my hair ever again. Okay, so there ain't no faking this. I definitely cut my hair uneven. Okay, let me just get the blow dryer and something. I'm really the problem, and I know it, because when I was cutting my hair, I didn't look to see. I was just going and I didn't care. And
I'm starting off by moisturizing my hair with this avocado moisturizing hair milk. After that, I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it. I did not section my hair off to blow dry it this time. I was just really lazy. After blow drying it, I couldn't really tell. I thought blow drying it would help me to make sure it was even, but it didn't really help me. So right now I'm just going for it. I didn't check to see if I had split ends. I just started cutting.
Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this. Did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my
alright, y'all, I think I'm done with the cutting. I'ma just hope this is even. It looked even to me. I just went for it. I didn't yeah, not me still cutting. I kind of just went for it. I didn't I thought that when I blow dried it, it would have helped me to like see, to make it even. It didn't help me at all. So I'm just going for it. Whatever I see that's too long, longer than the rest, I'm just snipping it off. And yeah, I'm gonna try to give y'all weekly updates. This is crazy. I did it, y'all. I really freaking cut my hair. I just kind of went for it. Ain't no turning back now. No regrets. I'm just cutting. I'm My hair can still go in a little ponytail. My hair can still go in a ponytail. It's not that short, but yeah, it's definitely, like, I cut the back way shorter than the front, but I feel like it's not even, and that's just aching my body. Dang. Yeah, I did not cut this even whatsoever. And I feel like the more I try to make it even, is the shorter it's gonna be. I did my best. I really did my best. I did my best. I did the best I absolutely could with cutting this. I did my best. I have no idea what I'm doing, and I think I should stop, because also, like, I'm like tilting my head. Like, you gotta keep your head straight, girl. Oh my goodness, what am I doing? I feel like I should stop. I feel like I should not do this no more, because I don't know what I'm doing. That I can say. And I didn't even look at each individual piece and be like, okay, this is what needs to be cut. I just went for it. I'm not cutting anymore. I'm not cutting anymore. Okay, guys, that's it for this video.